there's a dip in temperature and visibility in northern India is majorly affected. Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh after western disturbance and in coming 2 to 3 days will be majorly affected. And after orange alert, today is also a yellow alert for Chandigarh. City beautiful, and we are at Sukna Lake. You can see the visibility is far better as compared to yesterday, but though there's a yellow alert for today as well, and there's a 2 to 300 meters visibility in morning time here in Chandigarh. And Punjab's Faridkot is a city which has observed the minimum temperature at 4.9 degrees, and also Punjab's Patiala, Ludhiana has also observed their minimum temperature at 8 to 9 degrees. Haryana's Jind is a city which has observed the minimum temperature below 5 degrees. And also these weather changes will be continued in coming 3 to 4 days. Weather department has also announced that in coming days from Tuesday to Thursday there will be western disturbance, and also it will be affecting in a dense fog at isolated places. A western disturbance at a cyclonic circulation is prevailing over central Iran and its neighborhood, and also it will be affecting the northern part of India, including Jammu. And also Himachal Pradesh, and flights in Chandigarh are also affected. In last 3 days, 33 flights are being cancelled. On day before yesterday it was 10 flights, yesterday it was 11, and then yesterday it was 12 flights. So there are total 33 flights which are cancelled. There are several flights that are delayed. Several trains are also being delayed at their scheduled timings. Roadways are also impacted. Children's, old age people are being advised to wear warm clothes, being asked and advised to not move out in morning and evening time when there's a dip in temperature, when the temperature is down. But in coming days the visibility will be affected, though it's better for today. But routine and morning and evening hour of the people are being uh, more affected because there is a low in temperature that's been observed, and also the days are a bit chilly as the winters have arrived. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.